Let's look at this question given. With reference to ancient India, consider the following pairs: territorial regions, river flowing in the region. Asmaka, Godavari; Kamboj, Vipas; Avanti, Mahanadi; Kausala, Saril. So, this question is a mixture of both ancient history and geography. So, one needs to know or have an understanding of where these Mahajanpadas are located and also what is the rough mapping of these rivers. So, these are one of the major Indian rivers. So, one has to know where they flow in which Indian territory. So, a basic mental mapping of both these categories is very much important to get to the answer of this question. And here, no elimination technique is going to work because the option given require one to know accurately if it's correct or incorrect, and then only you can get to the answer. Now let's check where these Mahajanpadas are placed, and Mahajanpadas is also important, the NCERT map of Mahajanpada, because Mahajanpadas has been a repeated theme. So they have asked Kamboj, Avanti, Asaka, and Kausala. So with Kamboj, they have given the river Vipas. Vipas is the ancient name of river Bias, which is a tributary of river Indus. So Bias flows somewhere here, and there's no connection. Hence, Kamboj and Vipas are wrong pair, incorrectly matched pair. Then with Avanti, they have mentioned river Mahanadi, which is an major eastern river of India. Hence, again, that's a wrong pair. Mahanadi is somewhere here. And then Kausala, with Kausala, they have given Sarayu, which is, yes, it flows here. So the pair given is correct. It is in the Ganga river system. It's actually a tributary of Ghagra river. And then Asaka, they have given Godavari. So Godavari again flows here. So this is also a right pair. Hence, this is wrong, right, right. You come to the answer of only 2. This is a pretty difficult question, and if you don't have idea of even one fact given here, then it will be like taking a huge risk, because this is completely a factual question and it's either you know it or you don't know it. So I would suggest that when you have complete accurate knowledge, then only try to attempt this question, or you can skip it and avoid the negative marking. But river maps and ancient India maps are very much important. So these all maps can be found in the NCERTs. Please do them thoroughly. They will help you in fetching good number of marks.